హలో ఎవ్రీవన్, దిస్ ఈజ్ రవితేజ అండ్ మీరు చూస్తున్నారు యా టెక్ ట్యూట్స్. ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఇవాళ వీడియోలో మనం టాప్ 20 మొబైల్ అప్లికేషన్ డెవలప్మెంట్ ఫ్రేమ్వర్క్స్ గురించి నేర్చుకుందాం ఫ్రెండ్స్. మీరు ఎవరైనా నా ఛానల్ ఫస్ట్ టైం చూస్తున్నట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి అండ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయడం మాత్రం మర్చిపోకండి ఫ్రెండ్స్. మీరు సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేస్తే అది నా ఛానల్కి ఎంతో సపోర్ట్గా ఉంటుంది ఫ్రెండ్స్. సో వితౌట్ ఎనీ లేట్ లెట్ us స్టార్ట్ అవర్ వీడియో. ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఈ వీడియో యొక్క మరియు ఈ ట్యూటోరియల్ యొక్క అజెండా ఏంటంటే ఇంట్రొడక్షన్ టు మొబైల్ అప్లికేషన్స్ అండ్ టాప్ 20 మొబైల్ అప్లికేషన్ ఫ్రేమ్వర్క్స్ ఏవేవి, వాటి వల్ల బిజినెస్ బెనిఫిట్స్ ఏంటి, మరియు ఏ యాప్స్ ఆ టాప్ 20 మొబైల్ అప్లికేషన్ ఫ్రేమ్వర్క్స్ ద్వారా తయారయ్యో తెలుసుకుందాం ఫ్రెండ్స్. సో వాట్ ఈస్ ద మొబైల్ అప్లికేషన్ డెవలప్మెంట్ ఫ్రేమ్వర్క్? మొబైల్ అప్లికేషన్ డెవలప్మెంట్ ఫ్రేమ్వర్క్ అంటే ఫ్రెండ్స్, it is a library that offers the required fundamental structure to create mobile applications for a specific environment. In short, it acts as a layout to mobile app development. మొబైల్ యాప్ డెవలప్మెంట్ ఒక స్పెసిఫిక్ ఎన్విరాన్మెంట్ కోసం మొబైల్ అప్లికేషన్ను రూపొందించడానికి అవసరమైన ఫండమెంటల్ నిర్మాణాన్ని అందించే లైబ్రరీ. దీన్ని సంక్షిప్తంగా మొబైల్ యాప్ డెవలప్మెంట్కి మద్దతు ఇచ్చే లేఅవుట్గా పనిచేస్తుంది అని అర్థం ఫ్రెండ్స్. ఈ మొబైల్ యాప్ డెవలప్మెంట్ ఫ్రేమ్వర్క్స్ వల్ల ఏ అడ్వాంటేజెస్ ఉన్నాయో తెలుసుకుందాం ఫ్రెండ్స్. ఫస్ట్ వన్ ఈజ్ ఇట్ సెక్యూర్స్ యువర్ యాప్ డేటా, ఇట్ ఇంప్రూవ్స్ ఎఫిషియన్సీ, ఇట్ ఆఫర్స్ హై స్కేలబిలిటీ, it integrates with existing software, and it is easy to maintain. These are the advantages of mobile app development frameworks. And next we are going to know about types of mobile app development frameworks. Mobile app development frameworks మొత్తం 3 types friends. First one, native frameworks and hybrid application frameworks, and the final one is mobile web application framework. Native frameworks. First is native apps. A native app is an application that is specifically designed for a particular platform or device. నేటివ్ యాప్ అనేది ఒక పర్టికులర్ ప్లాట్ఫామ్ లేదా డివైస్ కోసం ప్రత్యేకంగా రూపొందించబడిన అప్లికేషన్ ఫ్రెండ్స్. అండ్ ద నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఈజ్ వెబ్ యాప్స్. ఏ వెబ్ యాప్ కన్సర్న్స్ విత్ ద అప్లికేషన్ దట్ ఈస్ డిజైన్ టు డెలివర్ వెబ్ పేజెస్ ఆన్ డిఫరెంట్ వెబ్ ప్లాట్ఫామ్స్ ఫర్ ఎనీ డివైస్. వెబ్ అప్లికేషన్స్ అనేది పరికరం కోసం వేర్వేరు వెబ్ ప్లాట్ఫామ్స్లకు వెబ్ పేజ్లను అందించడానికి రూపొందించబడిన అప్లికేషన్ ఫ్రెండ్స్. అండ్ ద లాస్ట్ వన్ ఈజ్ హైబ్రిడ్ యాప్స్. ఏ హైబ్రిడ్ యాప్ ఈజ్ ఏ కాంబినేషన్ ఆఫ్ నేటివ్ వెబ్ యాప్స్ అండ్ వెబ్ అప్లికేషన్ యాప్స్. ఇట్ కెన్ బి డెవలప్డ్ ఫర్ ఎనీ ప్లాట్ఫామ్ ఫ్రమ్ ఏ సింగిల్ కోడ్ బేస్. హైబ్రిడ్ యాప్స్ అనేది ఈ నేటివ్ యాప్స్ మరియు వెబ్ యాప్స్ ఒక కలయిక ఫ్రెండ్స్. ఒక కోడ్ బేస్ నుండి ఏదైనా ప్లాట్ఫామ్ కోసం దీనిని అభివృద్ధి చేయవచ్చు ఫ్రెండ్స్. అండ్ దీస్ ఆర్ ద 20 బెస్ట్ మొబైల్ యాప్ డెవలప్మెంట్ ఫ్రేమ్వర్క్స్ ఇన్ 2021 ఫ్రెండ్స్. రియాక్ట్ నేటివ్, ఫ్రేమ్వర్క్ 7, ఫ్లటర్, నేటివ్ స్క్రిప్ట్, మెటల్, jQuery, Apache Cordova or PhoneGap, SenchaXT, JavaScript, Ionic. ఇలా ఈ 20 బెస్ట్ మొబైల్ యాప్ డెవలప్మెంట్ ఫ్రేమ్వర్క్స్ ఫ్రెండ్స్ మన 2021లో ఉన్నాయి. ఫస్ట్ మనము రియాక్ట్ నేటివ్ ఫ్రేమ్వర్క్ గురించి తెలుసుకుందాం ఫ్రెండ్స్. ఓకే ఫ్రెండ్స్, రియాక్ట్ నేటివ్ ఈజ్ one of the leading mobile app development frameworks that blends the significant parts of native development with React, which is a JavaScript library for developing diverse user interfaces of cross-platform apps. One can utilize React Native frameworks in present iOS and Android-based projects, or you can build a completely fresh application right from scratch. And React Native is coming nearer to link the gap amid the native application performance, and the effortlessness of cross-platform mobile app development. Many, many famous organizations, namely Netflix, PayPal, and Apple, are using React Native frameworks. And business benefits. Next one is business benefits of React Native framework. Improves the work competency through reusable components and works well even with high load applications. Make sure steadiness and requires favor efforts. Boost boost SEO performance and involves trouble-free sustenance. Apps built with React Native frameworks are Facebook, Instagram, SoundCloud, and Airbnb. These are the apps which are built with React Native frameworks. Okay, friends, మనం ఇంకా సెకండ్ ఫ్రేమ్వర్క్ గురించి తెలుసుకుందాం. ఫ్రేమ్వర్క్ 7 is an open source cross-platform mobile app development framework to build mobile applications with a native look and feel. The framework is an indispensable prototyping technology tool to showcase working application prototypes quickly. It enables building iOS and Android applications. This mobile app development framework comes with a vanilla JavaScript library along with React Vue elements. It comes with ready to use eye-catching UI elements and exclusive widgets. And business benefits of Framework 7 are the apps are swifter and more responsive. The development process is rapid with widgets and components. Learning curve connected is straightforward to manage. Offers a sophisticated mobile UI to enable your projects. Simpler to build apps for iOS and Android without thoroughly learning it. ఈ ఫ్రేమ్వర్క్స్ మన యొక్క బెస్ట్ బిజినెస్ బెనిఫిట్ ఏంటంటే ఫ్రెండ్స్, దీన్ని మనం త్వరగా నేర్చుకోకపోయినా iOS అండ్ ఆండ్రాయిడ్స్కి యాప్స్ తయారు చేయొచ్చు ఫ్రెండ్స్. అండ్ ఈ ఫ్రేమ్వర్క్ 7 ఏ యాప్స్ తయారు చేసింది తెలుసుకుందాం ఫ్రెండ్స్. ఫస్ట్ వన్ ఈజ్ సైబర్ బ్రెయిన్ అండ్ బ్లాక్డ్, వ్యాప్లర్, హైక్యాప్స్, కిడవర్స్ అనేవి యాప్స్ built with framework 7 friends. And the next one is Flutter framework. Flutter is one of the best mobile app development frameworks and is Google's UI toolkit for developing striking natively compiled cross-platform apps for mobile right from a solitary code base. It is a free and open source cross-platform app development framework. Flutter's advanced features assist you swiftly experiment, create UIs, add functionalities, and fix bugs quicker. These mobile app developments widgets fit in all crucial platform differences to deliver comprehensive native performance on both Android and iOS. Also, it has an own graphic engine known as Skia. And business benefits of Flutter framework are more rapid development, customization, and rendering, concurrent apps updates on iOS and Android, simpler to sustain and build fresh functionalities. If you want to showcase your product to investors quickly, Flutter is ideal and one of the best preferences. And apps which are built with Flutter framework are Alibaba, Reflectly, Cryptograph, Google Ads are the apps which are built with Flutter framework. And next we are going to know about NativeScript framework. NativeScript is an open source mobile app development framework to build application on iOS, and these applications are made utilizing JavaScript. The framework backs Angular and Vue JavaScript frameworks. Mobile apps developed with this framework are comprehensive native apps which use the same APIs as if they were built in Android Studio or Xcode. Business benefits of native framework, native script framework saves efforts, time, cost, and is easily adaptable. Can back a futuristic mobile strategy, make the task of staffing teams much simpler, enables to reuse present tools, and apps which are built with native framework script are Beachy, Dadrat, Greeky Ants, Workbox are the apps, and Navadra are the apps which are built with native script framework. And the next one is Meteor framework. Meteor is an open source JavaScript mobile app development framework which is created utilizing not JavaScript. The framework enables quick prototyping and facilitates cross platform code. Meteor can be utilized with any front end JavaScript framework, including React, Vue, Blazor, and Angular. Business benefits of Meteor are facilitates usage of a single language, provides access to real-time applications by default, small package choose small package choice is a time savior, far-reaching support for an extensive community, turn web applications into smartphones. ఈ మెటైర్ ఫ్రేమ్వర్క్ ఒక బెస్ట్ బిజినెస్ బెనిఫిట్ ఏంటంటే ఫ్రెండ్స్ వెబ్ అప్లికేషన్స్ని స్మార్ట్ ఫోన్ యాప్స్గా మారుస్తుంది ఫ్రెండ్స్. సో యాప్స్ విచ్ ఆర్ బిల్ట్ విత్ మెటైర్ ఫ్రేమ్వర్క్ ఆర్ హ్యాగెల్మేట్, విష్పుల్, టెలిస్కోప్, చేసర్, Pintask, and Write are the apps which are built with Meteor framework. ఓకే ఫ్రెండ్స్, నెక్స్ట్ మనము jQuery ఫ్రేమ్వర్క్ గురించి తెలుసుకుందాం. jQuery is a shift and crisp JavaScript library that performs effectively without writing much code. It is a cross-platform JavaScript library developed to ace the involved client-side scripting of HTML. Top organizations are using this framework, which includes Facebook, WordPress, Google, IBM, and other leading players. jQuery అనేది ఒక బెస్ట్ మొబైల్ యాప్ డెవలప్మెంట్ ఫ్రేమ్వర్క్ అని చెప్పొచ్చు ఫ్రెండ్స్. మనము ఫేస్బుక్, వర్డ్ప్రెస్, గూగుల్ అండ్ ఐబిఎం ఇలాంటి పెద్ద పెద్ద సంస్థలు ఈ jQuery అనే ఫ్రేమ్వర్క్నే వాడతాయి ఫ్రెండ్స్. అండ్ బిజినెస్ బెనిఫిట్స్ విత్ దిస్ jQuery framework are offers strong, large, and continuously sustained community. Can straightforwardly be optimized for the search engines. Has numerous plugins that can assist in enabling SEO, assist in creating striking effects and animations, keeping the audience interactive. Helps develop applications that will work precisely on all categories of browsers and versions. And the next one is apps which are built with jQuery framework are OpenTable, IKEA Sweden, Dodge, Disney World, SlideShare, Net. ఈ jQuery ఫ్రేమ్వర్క్ డిజ్నీ వరల్డ్, స్లైడ్ షేర్, నెట్ అని చాలా పాపులర్ యాప్స్ని కూడా తయారు చేసాయి ఫ్రెండ్స్. అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ ఫ్రేమ్వర్క్ ఈజ్ కోకా టచ్. కోకా టచ్ కూడా ఒక ఇంపార్టెంట్ యాప్ డెవలప్మెంట్ ఫ్రేమ్వర్క్ ఫ్రెండ్స్. కోకా టచ్ ఫ్రేమ్వర్క్ ఈజ్ ద యాప్ డెవలప్మెంట్ ఫ్రేమ్వర్క్ ఎన్విరాన్మెంట్ ఫర్ creating software programs to operate on iOS, iPadOS, watchOS, and tvOS. The framework is precisely created in the Objective-C language. ఈ కోకా టచ్ అనే ఒక ఫ్రేమ్వర్క్ iOSలో, iPadOSలో, watchOS అండ్ tvOSకి సాఫ్ట్వేర్ ప్రోగ్రామ్స్ క్రియేట్ చేసింది ఫ్రెండ్స్. ఈ ఫ్రేమ్వర్క్ ఎక్కువ సి లాంగ్వేజ్ అనే సి లాంగ్వేజ్తో ప్రోగ్రామ్ క్రియేట్ చేసి ఉంటుంది ఫ్రెండ్స్. కోకా టచ్ enables the usage of hardware and functionalities that are not identified or found in a Mac OS computers and are exclusively to iOS devices. Business benefits of Coca Touch framework are highly supported and backed by all Apple devices. Apps built through the Coca Touch framework demands minimal efforts. Functionalities related to animation, networking, and appearance of the iOS platform gets automatically adapted, and the framework provides ready-to-use user interface features. And next, apps which are built with Coca framework are Snapchat, Jetscaler, Telegram Messenger, Ceramin, ABA English, Work Market. Next, Xamarin Framework. Xamarin is another best open source mobile app development framework and extends the net development platform with a diverse range of libraries. The developers can reuse their present code and share essential code across various device platforms. The Stop mobile app development framework blends with Microsoft's IDE and Visual Studio for the .NET framework and is accessible for usages by Mac OS users by using Visual Studio for Mac. It is particularly used for developing apps for iOS, Android, Windows, tvOS, watchOS and macOS. Xamarin ఫ్రేమ్వర్క్ అనేది ఎక్కువగా మనం ఐఓఎస్లో, ఆండ్రాయిడ్లో, విండోస్లో, టీవీఓఎస్, వాచ్ఓఎస్, మ్యాక్ఓఎస్లో యాప్స్ తయారు చేయడానికి వాడతాం ఫ్రెండ్స్. అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ మనము బిజినెస్ బెనిఫిట్స్ ఆఫ్ Xamarin ఫ్రేమ్వర్క్ చూద్దాం. ఆఫర్స్ ఎఫెక్టివ్ నేటివ్ design and precise performance for all applications, provides extensive maintenance support, steadiness and community support, helps build commercial apps that you can market and promote swiftly. Apps which are built with this framework are APX, Oro, MRW, CA Mobile, Novarom DX, Storio, Captio are the apps which are built with Xamarin framework. And next, we are going to know about Shifting framework. Shifting framework is one of the best no-code mobile app development frameworks applied and used exclusively for the iOS platform. It is simple in usage and comes with an intuitive interface that enables creating, managing, publishing, and marketing applications right from the control panel. Apps can be developed swiftly, and the framework offers modern day analytics and third party integrations. Business benefits of Shifting framework are access to mobile technology for small business, allows small players to compete with big sized business competitors, connect business with the marketplace they are targeting to reach, and the next apps which are built with Shifting framework Mount Royal Bagel, Clubhouse, Spa Cafe, Lakeside Fitness Center are the apps which are built with Shifting framework. And next framework is Ionic framework. Ionic is one of the top mobile app development frameworks that offer an enhanced approach to develop modern applications at scale. It assists in building secure and robust enterprise apps in lesser time for any of the platforms. It enables genuinely native and striking cross platform mobile applications. The influential tools and services integrated into the framework make it simple to provide eye-catching mobile experiences across Android, iOS, and web platforms with a single code base. A cross-platform app development company like us can better guide you on how to enable cross-platform apps. And business benefits of Ionic framework are enables moving forward with projects quickly and cost effectively, provides a vibrant range of commercially useful plugins and integration features, keep data of business and end user safe as well as secure, facilitates committed support when you require it most, and apps which are built with Ionic framework are MarketWatch, Pacifica, Swarkit, Just Watch, Joule, McDonald's Turkey, Chief Steps are the apps which are built with Ionic framework. And next framework is Sencha X JavaScript framework. Sencha X JavaScript is the most inclusive JavaScript app development framework for developing cross-platform and data-intensive applications for any of the devices. The framework comprises more than 140 high-performing pre-integrated and tested UI components to develop striking applications. Business benefits of Sencha X.js are ready to use widgets, enable overall, offers cross platform support to facilitate the development of apps, flexible to build mobile apps for any modern day devices. And apps which are built with Sencha X.js framework are MilkPay, Ava, Caseware app, Hospital Element app, Ticketmaster app, Governance.io app are the apps which are built with Sencha X.js framework. Our next framework is Apache Cordova framework, and it is also known as PhonePe. PhoneGap is a leading mobile app development framework which is based on the precise open source Apache Cordova project. The, the framework enables you to effectively developing mobile apps right in the cloud. It uses technologies such as CSS3, HTML5, and JavaScript. With this framework, you can have App Store ready applications without the trouble of sustaining native SDKs. Okay, friends, next మనము బిజినెస్ బెనిఫిట్స్ చూద్దాము. బిజినెస్ బెనిఫిట్స్ ఆఫ్ ఫోన్ గ్యాప్ ఫ్రేమ్వర్క్ reutilize present web development skills to swiftly build hybrid mobile apps, develop experiences for numerous platforms with a single code base to reach out to target audiences on any of the devices. Use tools built by the PhoneGap community assist you in testing and managing apps. And apps which are built with PhoneGap framework, Palution, Wikipedia, Health Tab, Tripcase. Wikipedia is one of the important app which is built by PhoneGap framework. And next framework is Onsen UI framework. Onsen UI framework is an open source development framework and is licensed under Apache. It enables the development of HTML5 hybrid and mobile web applications with zero time setup. The mobile development framework facilitates superior diversity of UI elements and components particularly devised for mobile apps. With this platform, you can back both iOS and Android platforms with the same source code. The applications developed through Onsen UI are seamless even on lower end devices enabled by an iOS and Android app development company. Okay, friends, next business benefits of Onsen UI framework. Enable business projects with both native and hybrid applications. The framework is highly compatible with multiple frameworks, provides quick prototyping features and functionalities, optimizes performances on an extensive range of mobile devices, and apps which are built with this framework are PopWalks, Wahalog, Opal, of course Golf, Sky Patrol are the apps which are built with this framework. Our next framework is Corona SDK framework. Corona SDK framework is a cross-platform app development framework precisely utilized for quickly building applications for mobile devices. Corona source code is open for developers to explore and add functionalities that they require and contribute to the main product. One can build a project and publish it to numerous devices comprising iPhone, iPad, Android phones, Amazon Fire, Android TV, Apple TV, and Fire TV with this Corona SDK framework. Next one is business benefits with Corona SDK framework. Automatically compiles apps at build time and rationalizes them for better business performance and stability. Comes with a vast community and possesses easily accessible support resources. Backs with graphical assist, sound effects, music, and plugins. Next, apps which are built with this framework are Designer City, ZipZap, PKT Ball, FunRun 2, Mandora are the apps which are built with this framework. Okay, friends. Next framework is Monaca framework. Monaca framework is one of those mobile app development frameworks that make HTML5 hybrid mobile application development easy and straightforward with Apache Cordova. It empowers Cordova app creation with simple to use tools and services. It is the most open platform obtainable and ready to be instantly plugged into your current workflow and development environment. It enables cloud IDE and remote digital build with everything you require to develop hybrid apps. Business benefits of Monaco framework are enables creating flawless and striking applications with high performance, facilitates prevailing debugging and testing experiences, helps to build secure environments right in the cloud working like a local environment. And apps which are built with Monaco framework are as BDGest, APAS, SmartEat are the apps which are built with this framework. Next, we are going to know about Mobile Angular UI framework. This is an important framework and it is very popular and precise open source framework for building enterprise mobile applications. The framework utilizes Twitter Bootstrap, and Angular JavaScript that assist in building nice looking HTML5 hybrid mobile apps. Business benefits of Mobile Angular UI framework are helps to create attractive user interface that are optimized for mobile viewing and interaction, possesses overlay and switches that are simpler to engage with mobile devices. The framework is straightforward to understand and can be enabled in existing Angular application projects. Next, apps which are built with this framework are Gunks, Hotlayer News, Joabo mobile website, Gezit, IKBox, IKBox are the apps which are built with this framework. Next, friends, Appsulator Titanium Framework. Appsulator Titanium mobile app development framework allows and delivers native mobile apps with superior cross-platform steadiness. It is one of the biggest and dynamic ecosystems with extensive community support. The framework can be enabled by both an Android and iOS app development company. Next, మనము బిజినెస్ బెనిఫిట్స్ ఆఫ్ యాప్స్ లేటర్ టైటానియం గురించి తెలుసుకుందాం ఫ్రెండ్స్. ఫెసిలియేట్స్ ర్యాపిడ్ ప్రోటోటైపింగ్, ఎవర్ గ్రోయింగ్ అండ్ మెచ్యూరింగ్ కమ్యూనిటీ, and the apps which are built with this framework are MIT, Blackboard, Family Dollar, Comerica are the apps which are built with this framework. Next one, next framework is UNO framework. UNO framework is an exclusive UI platform that enables single code based apps for WebAssembly, Windows, Linux, iOS, macOS, and Android. It reuses business logic and UI layers across the web, desktop, and native mobile applications, which help the developer. And business benefits of this framework are the great open source app development framework or platform for building single source and multi-platform apps, assessed with custom look and feel of applications, and apps which are built with this framework are Gene Quito, Journey Rewards, Cineplex, MyVCA. Cineplex is the important framework and app which is built with this UNO framework. National Geographic Learning is also another important app which was built with this UNO framework. And next we are going to go about KTOR framework. KTOR framework is an open source and a syn- KTOR framework is an open source app development framework for building microservices, applications, and more. It is a lightweight, extensible framework that supports multi-platforms that develop comprehensive client and server side applications. Business benefits of KTOR framework are transparently configures and enables only the functionality your project needs. One can deploy KTOR apps on any platform. The framework is highly scalable, and apps which are built with this framework are Air REGI, Handy Self Order, StarCrypt, ArtsTech, Valist are the apps which are built with this framework. And the next framework is Aurelia framework. Aurelia framework is a blend of modern JavaScript models which utilize it in a combination functions as an influential platform for creating mobile applications. It is an open source platform and crafted on open web standards. Aurelia's benchmarked based style enables it to be the only framework that allows the development of elements utilizing TypeScript or vanilla JavaScript. And business benefits of Aurelia framework are offers high performance, simple to test, and delivers unmatched extensibility. And apps which are built with this framework are Deloitte, Dev, and Check are the three important apps which are built with this framework. ఓకే ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఇలా టాప్ 20 మొబైల్ అప్లికేషన్ డెవలప్మెంట్ ఫ్రేమ్వర్క్స్ ఆఫ్ 2021 ఇయర్ చూశారు కదా. ఒకవేళ మీకు నా వీడియో కానీ నచ్చితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, అండ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయడం మాత్రం మర్చిపోకండి ఫ్రెండ్స్. ఒకవేళ మీరు సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేస్తే అది నాకు సపోర్ట్ చేసినట్టు అవుతుంది ఫ్రెండ్స్. సో థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ వాచింగ్ మై వీడియో అండ్ బాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్.